So today I went to the Kaiyukan, oh no, not the Kaiyukan, the Suntory Museum. What is on the lens? I need to clean the lens of the camera. That's what was covering Go's face in that picture. Anyway, I went to the Suntory Museum and that was a lot of fun. I got to see all the Studio Ghibli layout designs. I was kind of disappointed though because there was only maybe 12 frames from Yimiga Subaseba. But it was cool. I mean, they had Howl's Moving Castle there, and that was really cool. And also Grave of the Fireflies, which is another one of my favorites. So I was happy to see that. And I didn't look at the Ponyo ones too much because I still haven't seen the movie and I didn't want to ruin it for myself. So I'm just on my way home now, and I thought I'd show you guys the neighborhood, what the neighborhood looks like around my host parents' house. So this is Komagawa Nakano, and I really like it here. It's a really nice little neighborhood. One day I'm going to take video of the shopping arcade I have to walk through every day to get to the train station, but I have not done it yet. And someday I'll figure out how to make the camera not shake when I walk. But I'm tired, so that might have something to do with it. Anyway. I'm shopping again today. A little. And that one with the car is my host parents' house. So I'm gonna go home now. And I will talk to y'all later. またね。